So A1 and B1 are your lightest shades, okay? Most people, you can help gauge like what their natural shade is going to be. If they are in your chair and they're wearing black and they wear a lot of black, most people, like women, if that's a good color for them, you'll find that they wear a lot of it. Okay, and so people who wear a lot of black, you can start with the C's. Okay, there's just little tricks to the trade that you can do that. When you go to the lab for your field trip with dental materials, talk to the lab tech about that, because I can't remember all of his little words of wisdom, but that would help you. You don't need to pull out 10 different shades and be like, oh, nope, they're not any of those, if you can kind of guesstimate, okay, and start there. And most people aren't A1s and B1s, okay? Remember that the color of their lipstick is going to affect the perception of the color of their teeth, okay? I would always have the patient confirm the shade with you. So give them a hand mirror and let them check the shade, okay? A lot of times the shade may be like, we could go with, we could say that the patient is like a C2 at the cervical, but a B2 by the time we get to the incisal. And so you'll have to write that on the lab order so that the ceramicist, the person who paints the porcelain, knows.
Do we have to say on the lab prescription what shade guide we're using?
Vita shade is the standard shade, so if it's not,
Okay.
they're going to go with Vita. But if you're using something different, you need to indicate that you've used a different shade guide. Alright, that's not set up yet. Okay.